Hello friends, we are going to solve again a square root question problem, but in this question x is given in minus form, means a question like under root x minus under root x minus under root x minus up to infinity. This is a very typical question. If you solve it individually, just like under root x is a heavy term, and then I'm doing it again, means up to minus form it cannot be solved. So the shortcut method, very shortcut method of this kind of question is I'm going to discuss here. So in this kind of question, x should be even and x should be of n into n plus 1 type. So in these kind of questions, the answer is always, the shortcut trick is, the answer is always n. Suppose for example, the question is like under root 12 minus under root 12 minus under root 12 minus under root 12 up to infinity. The question is what will be? It will be equal to. So answer in these kind of questions, 12 can be divided into two terms, two consecutive terms. Those terms are 3 into 4. So the answer is always the shortest terms among these. The shortest term is 3. So the answer is 3. Suppose again another example, under root 20 minus under root 20 minus under root 20 minus up to infinity. Then what would it will be equal to? The answer, you can divide 20 into 4 consecutive terms, 4 into 5. So the answer is always 4. 4 should be because it is smallest. This question is of n into n plus 1 type. 4 into 5 means n into n plus 1. So in these kind of questions, shortest terms is the answer. So the terms like these can easily be solved with this method. So come here again and subscribe to the site given in the description.